Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Azalfa Tanveer and I am from BS Biotechnology Batch 6. My presentation topic is neutralization reaction. Here are some contents. First one is neutralization reaction, types of neutralization reaction, strong acid, strong base, conclusion of strong acid, strong base reaction, weak acid, strong acid, weak acid, weak base, and then application of neutralization reaction. First of all, what is neutralization reaction? It can be defined as chemical reaction in which an acid and base react together to form a salt and water as product. Because salt and water are neither acidic nor basic, they are neutral. So the process of the neutral solution is called neutralization reaction. The question is, what extent does a neutralization reaction go to complete? complete? So the answer is, before we can make pH calculations on mixture of acids and bases, relationship between the strength of the reactants and resultant pH, which are depending upon the strength of the constituent acids and bases. The pH of the product varies, which are given below in this table. Strength of acid, strength of base, resultant pH. When acid and base both are strong, so the resultant pH is equals to 7. When acid is strong and base is weak, so the resultant pH is less than 7. When acid is weak and base is strong, so the resultant pH is greater than 7. When they both are weak, so the acid dissociation constant or base dissociation constant is equals to 7, less than 7 or greater than 7. Types of neutralization reaction. There are four types of neutralization reaction. First one is strong acid, strong base, weak acid, strong base, strong acid, weak base, and then weak acid, weak base. Strong acid, strong base. They both are fully dissociated in aqueous solution. Let's consider the reaction of hydrochloric acid react with sodium hydroxide to give water as product and sodium chloride in this neutralization process. Because hydrochloric acid, sodium hydroxide and sodium chloride are completely dissociated. So the net ionic equation for the neutralization reaction is hydronium ion react with hydroxide to form dihydrogen monoxide. Then we mix equal number of moles of HCl and NaOH. The concentration of hydronium ion and hydroxide in the remaining NaCl solution after neutralization will be pure, as in pure water. So the hydronium ion is equals to hydroxide. The value is 1.0 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 7. In other words, the reaction of the HCl and NaOH proceed far to the right. Conclusion. We come to the same conclusion by looking at the equilibrium constant for the reaction, because neutralization reaction of any strong acid with a base is the reverse for the dissociation of water, because it is equilibrium constant. Neutralization constant is the reciprocal of ion product constant for water. Kn is equals to 1 over Kw. Here is example of Kn is equals to ionic product constant for water. They both are equal. So the value of neutralization constant 1.0 into 10 raised to power 14 for a strong acid and base reaction, which is very large. That means the neutralization reaction proceed 100% complete. When a strong acid is neutralized by a strong base, there are no excess hydrogen ion left. So after neutralization of equal molar amount of acid and base, the solution contains salt derived from a strong base and acid, because neither the cation nor the anion of the salt has acidic or basic property. So the pH is equals to 7. The exact pH value is dependent on the temperature of the solution. Weak acid, strong base. Weak acid is not dissociated in aqueous solution, but strong base is dissociate in aqueous solution because a weak acid of hyaluronic acid is largely undissociated. The net ionic equation for the neutralization reaction of weak acid with a strong base involves proton transfer from Ha to the strong base hydroxide. Here is a reaction. Hyaluronic acid react with hydroxide to form water and conjugate base. Acetic acid, for example, react with aqueous sodium hydroxide to give water and aqueous sodium acetate. Acetic ion react with the hydroxide to form water and acetic ions. Sodium ions do not appear in the net ionic equation because both sodium hydroxide and sodium acetate are completely dissociated. In this diagram, we can see that when NaOH is added in acetic acid containing the acid-base indicator phenolphthalein, the color of the indicator changes from colorless to pink in the pH range 8.2 to 9.8 because neutralization of acetic acid gives a weakly basic solution. Then obtain the equilibrium constant neutralization of acetic acid. So multiply equilibrium constant for the reaction that add to give the net ionic equation for the neutralization reaction because acetic acid is on the left side of the equation and acetic ion is on the right side. That one of the reaction must be dissociated of acetic acid because water is on right side equation and hydroxide is on left side. The other reaction must be the reverse dissociation of water. Note that hydronium ion and one water molecule cancel when two equations are added. In this reaction, we can see water and hydronium ion, they both are cancelled out, so the net ionic equation is given below. The equilibrium constant for the net reaction equals the product of the equilibrium constant for the reaction added. Therefore, we multiply acidic dissociation constant for acetic acid by the reciprocal of water constant to get neutralization constant for the neutralization reaction. We use 1 over Kw because water dissociation reaction is written in the reverse direction. The resulting large value of neutralization constant is equals to 1.8 multiplied 10 raised to power 9 means that the neutralization reaction proceed 100% to complete. So the general rule of the neutralization of any weak acid with a strong base will go 100% to complete hydronium ion because hydroxide has a great affinity of equal molar amount of has a great affinity for proton. After neutralization of equal molar amount of acetic acid and NaOH, the solution contains sodium ion which has no acidic or basic properties and acetic ion which is very weak base. Therefore, the pH is greater than 7. Strong acid and weak base. This situation is analogous to that of weak acid and strong base because a strong acid HA is completely dissociated into hydronium ion and conjugate ion, and its neutralization reaction with a weak base therefore involve proton transfer from hydronium ion to the weak base boron hydronium ion. In this reaction, hydronium ion react with boron to form water and boron monohydride. For example, the net ionic equation for the neutralization of hydrochloric acid with aqueous ammonia is hydronium ion react ammonia to form water and ammonia ion. In this reaction, we can see hydrochloric acid is added in aqueous ammonia containing the acid base indicator methyl red. The color of the indicator changes from yellow to red in the pH range 6.0 to 4.2 because the neutralization of the ammonia gives a weakly acidic solution. As In the weak acid strong base case, we can obtain the equilibrium constant for the neutralization reaction by multiplying equilibrium constant for reaction that added to give the net ionic equation. In this reaction, water and hydronium ion cancel out to form net ionic equation again. Because the equilibrium constant, neutralization constant is very large number, 1.8 to 1.8 multiplied by 10 to raise to power 9, we know that the neutralization reaction proceed 100% to the right. It's purely coincidental that the neutralization reaction of acetic acid with sodium hydroxide and HCl with NH3 have the same value of neutralization constant. So the two neutralization value are the same because acid dissociation constant for the acetic acid happens to have the same value as base dissociation constant for ammonia. The neutralization of any weak base with a strong acid generally goes 100% to complete because hydronium ion is a powerful proton donor. After the neutralization of equal molar amount of ammonia and Na and HCl, the solution contains ammonia ion which is weak acid and Cl which has no acidic or basic property, so the pH is less than 7. Weak acid, weak base. They both are not dissociate in aqueous solution because weak acid Ha and weak base boron are largely undissociated. The neutralization reaction between them therefore involve proton transfer from the weak acid to weak base. For example, the net ionic equation for the neutralization reaction of acetic acid aqueous ammonia is acetic acid react with ammonia to form ammonia ion and acetic ion. The equilibrium constant for neutralization reaction can be obtained by multiplying equilibrium constant for three cases. So the first one is the acid dissociation of acetic acid, second one is base protonation of ammonia, third one is reverse of the dissociation water. In this reaction, water water, hydronium ion and hydroxide are cancelled out, so the net ionic equation is given. The value of neutralization constant in this case is smaller than it is for the preceding three cases, indicating that the neutralization does not proceed as far toward complete. In general, weak acid, weak base neutralization have less tendency to proceed to complete than the neutralization involving strong acid or strong base. The neutralization of HCN with aqueous ammonia, for example, has a value of neutralization constant less than 1, which means that the reaction proceeds less than halfway to complete. For Formoon trial react with ammonium to form ammonium ion and CN, so the neutralization constant is equals to 0.88. The last one is application of neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction application are many, but some are given below. This method is used in wastewater treatment in order to reduce the damage created by the effluents. Neutralization is used in manufacturing of antacid tablets. The neutralization reaction is used to control the pH of the soil. Thank you.